Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're gonna talk about something that is very common in Windows 10 and we're gonna talk about how to change your taskbar color in Windows 10. This is a very quick and easy and of course simple tutorial, but there are some users that have some issues with that, and in this video I'm gonna show you a few very simple steps that you should do in order to be able to change your taskbar color regardless of the theme that you're using on Windows 10 and other settings. So if you cannot change your taskbar color, just right click on your desktop in a free empty space and then click on personalize. Here, go in the left side to colors, and then here where it says choose your color, make sure to click on this and go in the drop down and select custom. And then from here you are going to go to select from choose your default Windows mode. You're going to select dark and choose your default app mode. Here you can leave it on light or dark, that doesn't change the settings, but it's important that you change your default Windows mode to dark, because on light you cannot change your taskbar color. And now you can select another color from Windows colors. From down here you can even create a custom color if you want, but as you can see the color is not applied to the taskbar, so you're gonna have to go down a bit again, and where it says show accent color on the following surfaces, select start, taskbar and action center. You can select also title bars and window borders if you like that, but this is how you change your taskbar color. So now if you select another color, let's say this one, it will select this color and so on and so forth. It's really easy if you encountered this problem, and now you know that is really easy to change your taskbar color. So I'm hoping that this video helped you and you managed to fix your problem, and now of course you know how to change your taskbar color in Windows 10. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads like this one. Until next time, have a nice day.